Alright guys, we're back with another one. And these are your Apple AirPods, now wireless. Already becoming a classic, Apple AirPods. Here they go. Look at the box. You got the charging case. You're going to have a lightning charger and the AirPods themselves. Let's get right into this. So we slice away at this plastic, and these are classic Apple packaging. These are awesome. Look at this. Let's get right into it. Designed by Apple in California, and most likely made in China. Not bad at all. Let's get right into this. So you have your typical Apple beautiful packaging, the AirPods booklets. Here we go, man. Here we go. This is it right here inside this. Let's put it to the side and see what else is in the box. And you have your USB to Lightning connector right here. Nice and neat. Great packaging by Apple. Once again, let's get into this AirPods. Now, this is going to be a unique video because these are going to be with the perspective from a person who's using an Android phone. So here we have these Apple AirPods. Look at the gorgeous case. Really nice, elegant, nice white. Almost look like the ceramic white. You got the lightning connector right there. And as you open this up, you have the Apple AirPods. They look really nice. Let's take a look. They really look really good. So this is how the case looks. Nice, elegant, but simple. And here's the AirPods. So the AirPods would just go slip in your ear, real nice and subtle. And yeah, a lot of people saying you're going to look foolish, but I don't see that. This is boss. Classic white, classic look. This looks really good. So you got the speakers. You got sensors all around. And Apple's supposed to have some unique version of Bluetooth. I don't really know much about that, but all I know, I gotta see how they connect. But they look good, man. This little touch of silver at the bottom just finishes it off. They look good. I like them. So, but I gotta get this paired up. So we gotta pair this up and look at it as a Android person, a person with an Android phone, how they actually get these paired up, because everyone is showing how they get paired up on the Apple side, which is really easy, really fast. Scroll from the top, go into settings, you press Bluetooth. Then open up your AirPods. Your AirPods should automatically, you see the blinking light? They go into pairing mode. Press search on the V20. The AirPods are right there at the bottom. All you gotta do is press and wait. And they're paired up that quick. The AirPods are paired up. So there's nothing magic what Apple is doing. They're paired up and they're ready to go. So you pull them out and you start listening to some music. I really don't want to be hype about these. These are my first impressions, but I'm telling you, these Apple AirPods are packing a punch. The punch is so good. They're giving you a good amount of mids. They're giving you that hint of bass. And it's giving you tweeters that's giving you really an in-depth surround sound type of feel. You get engulfed into this music and it doesn't feel like you have anything on your ears. That's how good they feel. So what we need to do right now, I need for you guys to take a listen and hear how loud these sound.
your body's been crying for. And if you tell me just to lay it down, I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot at second chances. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than your body. Afraid to get too close. Ooh, oh, so close. Ooh, want you close. Ooh, 'cause things were just a warm up by someone who's afraid to get close. Se me nota que ando viajando.
Loud. Very loud. These are loud, they're clear, they are good. The reason why I'm so hyped, because I was expecting something terrible. I was really expecting weak sounding AirPods. You got some good sounding AirPods here. So these are your Apple wireless, totally wireless AirPods. I would say under these first impressions, they're definitely on point. Might be something I gotta consider getting another pair. So pretty much with that, that's the end of that. We'll see you in the next one.